We are in eastern Washington at an abandoned town called Ayer, Washington, A-Y-E-R. Don't know if we're supposed to be here or not, but looking around, there's a lot of stuff that is here that's kind of bizarre that it's still here with it being abandoned. Barbecues, basketball hoops, lawn chairs. Obviously we can see everything's boarded up, which is a little creepy. Basketball. We got a fire hydrant out here. Got a door open over here. We'll have to go take a look at that, shall we? Oh, we got a door open right here. Good use of graffiti. Not really. So I was told about this place from some friends. They said that it's really weird because we still have clothes. There's a lot of stuff that was left in these homes. At this point, I'm wondering if I'm making any good decisions here. You know, none of them are gutted. I can't see very well back here, but what I don't understand is why I mean, look at this stuff. We've got laundry baskets here, we've got garbage cans, we've got dish. So it wasn't abandoned that long ago if we have satellites, right? I don't understand why stuff would be left here like it is. These are decent sized little homes. They look like little 2-3 bedroom homes. But why would things be abandoned? Why are things still here that people would have taken with them? Barbecuers. Oh, this is kind of creepy. Dead deer over here. I'm over here, babe. That's our dogs, Turtle and Archer. House 8. Still chairs. After reviewing this video, I noticed the tub of tile cement sitting on that fireplace hearth.
Creepy stuff.
Anyway, like it was left
YouTube,
in the middle
we'll
of a
see what we can
project.
find. I'll update this video as we're going.
So this is a storage shed here at Ayer. Inside we've got Christmas lights on the floor down there. Some canned foods back there. Sprinkler timer.
So scary.
I don't know, it's kind of weird to me. It seems like people left in a bit of a hurry. Pile of cocaine. No, I'm just kidding. Looks like drywall. Yeah, pots and pans. A Swiffer Clorox cleaner, clothes. So it wasn't that long ago this stuff was left behind. That one's locked. Yeah, really weird. I mean, furniture. We got an old camper over here. Cab over camper. There's slabs for other homes were. Go in there and sleep in here for the night. Weird. Joyful moment in life is a beautiful thing to behold. Really weird, all this stuff. If anybody knows who these people are, I'm sorry for touching your personal belongings. Be curious to know the story on why this place is abandoned like this. Yeah, really weird. I don't quite understand. I mean, people wouldn't leave your keepsakes that way. I guess maybe should I have bought a Geiger counter with us so that we could check the radiation levels while we're here. This is weird. So, train tracks down there, Snake River. When I looked online, Ayer has some old pictures of like somebody's lived in here recently. And look at this. This is fucking weird. Excuse me for dropping the F-bomb. I'm sorry. Windows XP. Trippy shit, you guys. And again, sorry for the cuss words, but yeah, this is just really bizarre to me. That a place like this with this newest stuff, you know, I mean, satellite dishes, they're not, what, how old's Dish and DirecTV? Comment below if you know, but just weird to me that everything's left the way it is. It's not like somebody moved out and then just left and took their stuff with them. They obviously left in a hurry. What was the hurry? What was this place? It looks like some sort of a, kind of like a work camp maybe, housing for workers, but everything's just like gone. So anyways, Ayer, Washington, check it out. Ayer, crazy little place. Like and subscribe.